If you're looking for a vehicle that combines quality, reliability, and exceptional value, a Nissan Certified Pre-Owned vehicle from Nissan of South Morrow is the smart choice. It's a great way to enjoy the confidence of a thoroughly inspected Nissan while staying within your budget. Before earning its Certified Pre-Owned status, every eligible Nissan completes a detailed 167-point inspection performed by skilled technicians to ensure that it meets Nissan's high standards. The added protection of a 7-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty is available with your purchase, whichever one comes first, giving you the extra confidence long after you leave the dealership. Plus, 1 year of prepaid maintenance is available with your purchase during your first year of ownership or first 15,000 miles, whichever one comes first, helping you keep your vehicle performing at its best. With Nissan Certified Pre-Owned, you're getting more than a used vehicle. You're getting quality that has been verified, backed by Nissan, and designed to deliver peace of mind every time you drive. Stop by Nissan of South Morrow today to explore our Nissan Certified Pre-Owned inventory and let our friendly team help you find the vehicle that is right for you.